Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Banky Crypto Night. In this video today, what I want to show you is a new platform where you can make money. You'll be making this money through your USDT, and to go with this, you need a crypto wallet like Safepal or Token Pocket. You can use Trust Wallet, but for the sake of this video, I will use Safepal wallet. If you don't know Safepal, go to your Apple Store or your Play Store and search for Safepal on the your Apple Store or your Play Store. So after you download this, you can see on Play Store it has over 1 million download plus. So download it and log into your Safepal. Register your accounts. Make sure you write down your mnemonic or your passphrase. Make sure you write it down and keep it safe, because if you lost it, you lost it forever. You lost your asset forever. So make sure you do all those stuff. So after that, the next thing you need to do is to deposit money into your USDT Polygon and deposit Polygon also. At least the minimum you can start with is 11 USDT in Polygon. As you can see, it's 11 USDT Polygon, and you need normal Polygon coin, at least one Polygon, to cover your gas fee. So after that, check the description of this video. You will see a link you are going to use to register. So after you copy the link, copy it, come to explore, click on explore here. So after you click on explore, now click on DApp or enter link here. So paste the link you copy, paste it here. So after you paste the link, leave this on Ethereum right now, because you will still change it. So just leave it. Now click on go. So after you click on go, it will load and take you to this area here. So you are going to see something like this. Now click on register. When you click on register, right now they are asking you allow this site to switch to Polygon network. You can see it, Polygon. So the next thing to do is to click on confirm. Click on confirm. Now it's switching to Polygon, from Ethereum to Polygon. Now you can now start your registration. Now click on register. After you click on register, wait for it to register and it will direct you. As you can see, it's directing me right now. You can see now we need the gas fee. This is where we are going to use the gas fee. You can see I have my 1.1 Polygon here. You can just deposit one. If you want the transaction to be very fast, you can select high, but the custom default fee is medium. So when you select high, they are going to take more gas fee than the middle one. So let's just leave it at it, middle, and click on confirm. You can see that they are not even taking a transaction fee up to 1 cent dollar. So click on confirm and input your security password. Enter your security password. I will put my security password. The security password you use, you can see transaction confirming. That security password is one of the passwords you set when you are creating your app, when you are creating your wallet. This wallet, you can see transaction successful. Now click on connect. The next thing is to click on connect, because right now we want to log in. We have connect our wallet and we have registered. Now we want to log in. Now click on connect. Login successful. As you can see, it shows login successful right now. As you can see, it shows login successful. So that 11 this thing that I put give me something like about 100 RBC, which is their token RBC, which is Rabito. So it gives me something like this. You can see it here. they give it to me. So the next thing to do is that $11 you are going to use it to buy. If you deposit 22, you're going to use this. If you deposit 44.88, so those are the amount you can deposit: $11, $22, $44, $88, $176, like that, $1,408. The highest you can use to do this is $5,632. So right now we are going to click on buy. So we are buying right now. Approve. So right now, what is an approval? They are just showing us all this one to just let you know what you are approving. Now click here, check this mark here, then click on proceed. Now you need to confirm the transaction again from the transaction fee again. Click on confirm. Now successful. As you can see, processing. It's now showing processing. So we are buying this. Note, this amount can give you something almost $1 daily. It can give you almost $1 daily. It can give you up to $1. So you can see transaction approved. So let's see something here. Total free RBC. Let's see something. It will show very soon. So after you've done that, you still need more step to do again. Still come back to here again and click on buy now again. So after you click on buy now, wait for it to load, and you need more matic to pay gas fee. Oh, insufficient gas fee. It's like I don't have gas fee, so let me get more gas fee into it before I proceed again. So after I make my polygon, about 2 polygon there, they are going to charge network fee of this polygon. For now they are going to charge 1.79 polygon, so at least have at least 2 polygon or 2.3 polygon in your wallet. Now click on confirm. Successful. So as you can see, transaction confirming. So let's see if it will go. Let's see. It will show successful very soon. So as you can see, transaction successful. So let's still check it again. Maybe it is successful or it's still there. Not yet. So still go on it again. Buy now again. Still try it again so that it will be successful. So let's just put it on high instead of middle. Let's put it on high. Let's try it out on high. After that, the thing take times. It's like network is giving me issue, so I waited till evening before I do it again. If you look at the time, you will see that the time is around 7:51 p.m. now. So you can see with that $11, this is what I will be making daily. I will be making $0.77, almost $1 daily. That is what you will be making. So you can still upgrade if you want to upgrade to the second level. You can still upgrade to the second level with $22. Yes, you can upgrade with you can activate. So you can activate to with $22, and that $22, I think that one should be giving you $1.40 something daily. $1.40 something daily. You can see I have free ROBC. They give me 200 free ROBC here right now. That is what they give to me. So this is how to do it, and you'll be making $0.77 every day on your $11. So guys, this is the update I have for you. So just follow this step and do your own and start making money. If you check back your wallet, you will see that the money is still here on your wallet. Let's see, maybe it's still here on our wallet. So they have deducted the money on our wallet, and we have used it for the investment. But our gas fee still remain 1.17 polygon here. So that is just it. Tomorrow, by this time tomorrow, if I check here, I am going to see $0.77 here on my account here, and you can withdraw it. It's your money. You can withdraw it as you like. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you find it helpful. Please don't forget to hit that like button and also subscribe to the channel, comment, and also share it with your friends and family so that everybody can enjoy this same opportunity like this. So guys, thank you for watching. See you soon in my next video. I will keep on updating you how it goes on this platform. So guys, thank you for watching. Goodbye for now.